Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. Today you will learn how to convert Notion database item to PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Notion app. And enter the new database item to triggers when a new item is created in database. Then, connect your Notion account to Zapier. For this demo, let's use an entry from our journal database. Now test the trigger to fetch the items from our journal database. The Notion trigger returned the item's private URL. We need its public URL to convert to PDF. To do this, we will use the formatter by Zapier. And choose the text data to find and replace. Let's set up the formatter. In the Transform field, select Replace. In the Input field, choose the URL from Notion. In the Find field, type in the URL www.notion.co. In the Replace field, enter your Notion site domain. Let's test the formatter to make sure it returns out desired output URL. Now, let's convert the URL to PDF. To do this, let's choose PDF.co app. And choose the HTML to PDF converter so we can convert URL into a PDF. Now, connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Under the action event, let's add the formatter output in the HTML or URL convert to field. You can also change the other parameters such as page orientation, page size, margin, and more. For this demo, we will use the default values. Let's test the action to send a request to PDF.co to convert the URL to PDF. The PDF.co successfully process our request and return a temporary URL. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the PDF output from our Hawaii vacation journal item. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.